Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about the ingenious geyser engineering at Amer Fort which till date garners tourists' attention. Let's get started. Amer Fort is located in Amer city of Rajasthan, India, and is built by the visionary Raja Man Singh in 1592. The fort garners immense tourist appeal due to its stunning and intricate architecture. It is constructed using red sandstone and marble, and is adorned with artistic elements that are spread throughout its vast expanse. At the heart of Amer Fort, Mansingh Mahal stands as the first grand construction, built to accommodate the 12 wives of Raja Man Singh with mandatory royal baths for the queens. These royal bathrooms, known as hammam, featured an ingenious natural geyser system designed to provide hot water. This ancient no-electricity geyser system, an extraordinary and sophisticated marvel, continues to intrigue and fascinate visitors even today. For the geyser to operate, wood was burned in a specialized chamber-like space equipped with a chimney for ventilation. This chamber was ingeniously connected to two separate chambers designed to store water. The main source of water for Amer Fort is the Mota Lake. Water from this lake was stored in the underground reservoirs and chambers, which was used for the geyser system. As the wood was burned, the water in the first chamber heats up and then flows through a pipe system embedded in the walls to another chamber containing cool normal temperature water. The merging of the hot and cool water resulted in lukewarm water, which was ideal for baths and other royal needs. This perfectly tempered water would then flow into the bathtubs in the royal bathrooms of the queens through an elaborate network of pipes. This innovative water heating method highlights the advanced technologies at Amer Fort during its time, showcasing the resourcefulness and ingenuity of its former reisi. The bathtub chamber had shelves on walls to keep the perfumes or flower petals that were used in the baths for queens. Adjacent to the bath chamber, there existed a steaming chamber featuring ceilings designed in a diamond-type flower pattern. This exquisite design allowed the steam to disperse evenly throughout the entire room, creating a uniformly warm and luxurious atmosphere. The geyser remains a captivating and historically significant feature of the fort, offering visitors a glimpse into the rich heritage and remarkable engineering prowess of the past. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned geyser system. Amer Fort's 1592 wood-fired geyser system provided hot water without electricity, showcasing advanced ancient engineering. Water management. Mota Lake's water was stored, heated, and mixed to create perfectly tempered baths for the queens through an elaborate pipe network. Historical significance. The geyser system highlights Amer Fort's resourcefulness and technological prowess, which became a tourist attraction. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.